Thank you, Madam President. Thank you, colleagues. I rise to present SB 1273. Many of us share a strong concern for those among us who are dealing with mental illness. In fact, SCR 131, which is File 87 today, encourages this body to recognize May 2016 as National Mental Health Awareness Month in California. And I want to thank the senator from Santa Clara County. Orange County, California had this matter thrust on us in a rather bold and dramatic way when a young, homeless, schizophrenic individual was killed in the city of Fullerton. And a number of individuals came to our Board of Supervisors and said, if you would have adopted Laura's Law, maybe Kelly Thomas would be alive today. So we pursued trying to adopt Laura's Law. Unfortunately, we were in the Great Recession and couldn't afford it. So I went up to Sacramento and met with the offices of Senator Steinberg, Senator Yee, Senator Monning. We worked on what can we do to use a little bit of Prop 63, the Mental Health Services Act, a little bit of money that we could match from the county to pay for our public defender, et cetera. And that resulted in Senate Bill 585 by Steinberg, which you approved, had 36 votes for, no against. We were able then to adopt Laura's Law using Prop 63 funding, and it's been followed by a number of counties throughout the state, including the county of Ventura just last month. So we had, just from a little clarification, we have a lot of people in mental illness need that have this available, especially for their families. So that was just to a clarifying piece of legislation, and Senate Bill 1273 does the same. As amended, it clarifies that Mental Health Services Act funding can be used for outpatient crisis stabilization units. It'll allow counties to provide these units in case of an emergency or in a need when there's a mental illness crisis. It'll allow healthcare agencies up and down the state to choose to provide this opportunity. It is flexible. It is something that is permissible. This will assist our public safety agencies in having a location where they can bring individuals with a mental health crisis. In Orange County, sometimes they have to drive from emergency room to emergency room, tying up our police officers for hours and acting as transporters instead of as first responders. It will also assist our emergency rooms in not having them tied up with individuals that are waiting for a psychiatrist or whatever the case may be, which could be not only hours, but could be days. So this is another humane opportunity for Mental Health Services Act funding. Senate Bill 1273 is supported by a wonderful list of organizations: the California chapter of the American College of Emergency Physicians, the California Psychiatric Association, California State Association of Counties, California State Sheriff's Association, County Behavioral Health Directors Association of California, the Orange County Board of Supervisors, the Orange County Sheriff Coroner, St. Joseph Hogue, and just a lot more. But I'm really honored to have the endorsement and support of the Steinberg Institute and former Senator Darrell Steinberg. Colleagues, we have one organization in opposition, and we have been working with them, and they even admitted that in committee. So I am excited about this legacy opportunity that we can participate in, and I urge and I vote.